Hi everyone, it is Miss Bethany from the Downtown Library. I'm here with this month's Maker Monday kit. This month's Maker Monday activity is going to be a geometric mini canvas design. So what you're going to get in your kit is you will get your mini canvas, 3 colors of paint, and they're all different, 3 different paintbrushes so you don't have to wash them in between use, and a mini roll of washi tape. So your first step is to open up your canvas. They have a little bit of plastic over it. You may need scissors depending on how hard it is to do. Okay, there we go. Okay. So you're going to take your washi tape and you're going to create designs however you like. You could also put your canvas on a paper towel or something just to make sure that it doesn't get paint on the table, but the paint does wash off if you accidentally get it on your table. You almost want to get too much tape so that way it'll stick more to the table so it won't move. Make sure you push down really good on it. And this time, now you're just creating designs. You want to make sure that your tape always connects at a spot. That way it kind of creates those white lines in your design. Now it's time to paint. Pick a color and pick a block, and we're going to paint the entire block of that one color. If you get it on the tape, that's okay because that's why we have it there. Next, you're going to choose another color. I try to alternate my colors so we don't have 2 colors that are right next to each other. So we're going to go with red up there, and then I'm going to do red down below. It'll help alternate the colors too. Now I'm going to go to yellow, and I'm going to apply yellow in a couple different areas. Again, it's where they're not touching. It just makes the design look a little bit better when you have the colors not next to each other. All right, I have filled up my whole entire canvas. So I'm gonna pick up my paintbrushes, put my paint up so I don't accidentally spill it anywhere. All right, the last step is to remove all of the tape off of my canvas. You can wait until it dries so that way you don't worry about accidentally messing it up. To show you my final product, I am going to pick mine up. You just want to go slow with it to make sure you don't accidentally get paint on anything. And there you have it, my geometric mini canvas reveal. All right, now I get to go painting yours.